Here we have a CX5 2018 model. Service light reset. So this car, it's only the first service and it hasn't reached 10,000 yet. But I'll show you how to reset anyway, because it will come up in 100 kilometers. So what you do is, use this button here to navigate, scroll to applications, vehicle status monitor, maintenance, scheduled, and you set the time to 6 months or 10,000 kilometers. Again, using this to scroll and to complete, enter. There you go. So reset. Are you sure you want to reset? Enter. There you go, it's all done. Good for another 10,000.